In this short video, I'll show you how to build interactive charts directly from your LIMS data grid in LabKey. We'll start from a sample results table, create a few different chart types, and then see how to edit and export them for sharing. Here, I'm on a results grid showing assay data for 3 projects, alpha, beta, and gamma. Above the grid, you'll see the charts menu. This is where we can create and access charts that sit right on top of this data. First, let's build our first chart. I'll open the Charts menu and choose Create Chart. On the left, I can pick the chart type. I'll start with a bar chart. I'll give this a name, Samples by Project and Treatment. I'll leave it set so it's available to all users so others in the lab can see it from this grid view as well. For the x-axis, I'll choose Project. For the y-axis, I'll leave it blank to get the count of rows, so we'll see how many sample results we have per project. I'll add a grouping by treatment group to break each bar down into control, low dose, and high dose. You'll see a live preview update as I make selections. When I'm happy with it, I just click Create Chart to save. Next, let's look at how our assay data concentrations change over time. I'll go back to the Charts menu again and choose Create Chart. This time, I'll select a line chart type. I'll name this one Concentration over Time. For the x-axis, I'll choose Run Date. For the y-axis, I'll select Concentration and aggregate the data by mean. I can add error bars or make adjustments to the range of the y-axis here as well. I'll group by treatment group so each treatment shows as its own line. Again, the preview lets me quickly see trends before I save. When everything looks right, I click Create Chart and the line chart is now available from the Charts menu above this grid. We can also explore relationships between measures. I'll create one more line chart. I'll call this chart OD versus concentration by project. I'll set the x-axis to OD 450 and the y-axis to concentration. Then I'll color a group by project so I can see each project's data points in context. I'll also adjust the chart to create a linear regression trend line per project. This kind of chart is perfect for quickly checking for outliers or nonlinear behavior in your assay data. Once charts are saved, they're easy to get back to. From the Charts menu, I can see a list of all charts defined on this grid. Selecting one or multiple charts renders them right above the data. The charts will automatically adjust as I apply filters to my data grid below. If I want to adjust a chart, I simply open it and click the Edit icon on the chart. That brings me back to the same configuration panel I used when I created it. Here, I could rename the chart, change the axes, update grouping, or delete the chart if needed. When I'm done, I can save the chart or cancel. Finally, charts are easy to share outside of LabKey. From the chart toolbar, I click the Download button and choose PNG or PDF. That gives me a ready-to-use image or document that I can drop into reports, slide decks, or emails. Alternatively, I can send the link so folks in the lab can interrogate the data directly from LabKey LIMS. In just a few clicks, we built multiple charts directly from our LIMS grid. No coding required. You can use the same workflow on any grid in LabKey LIMS to quickly visualize your data, share consistent charts with your team, and export them for presentations or reports.